guys, so today as you can see I'm working in a different traveler's notebook. This is the one I use for memory keeping, in which I have my two Daphne's Diary junk journal inserts that I made, and I will link the video to that below in case you're interested. So here I'm trying to find the next empty page, and I wanted to document a girls' weekend that I just got back from, and my friends that I also work with, so 5 of them and myself, went just a bit outside of Vienna to a town called Tulln, which is in Lower Austria, and we stayed there in an Airbnb, and I'm showing you shortly here some images from that area. So this was the view from our balcony from the Airbnb, and it's just amazing. And this was from our walk, some of the impressions that I just took photos of, and it was so nice and so peaceful. And so basically these things are from what we call the Garten Tulln, which is Europe's first ecological garden show, and it's a permanent exhibition that they opened in 2008. And yeah, so it's a botanical garden, and they basically is supposed to give you ideas of what you can do in your own garden. And it's huge, and it's so beautiful to walk in. And so I have a few keepsakes from there. So I have this postcard that I bought from the gift shop, and everybody signed it on the back. And here I just have some information on that garden, and I have other bits and pieces that I wanted to put in. So yeah, so we just had a really fun time. We started off by visiting an abbey, which is called Abbey Melk, and incredibly, it was my first time there, and which is really embarrassing because it's like not even an hour away from Vienna where I live, and I never made it there, and it is absolutely breathtaking. The library in that abbey I've never seen anything like it. It's just incredible. I will actually link the website to the abbey below, just in case you're interested in seeing there, or if you ever might be in the area, this is a must-see. So here you can see me cutting up some ephemera that I received. So we called this a YOLO weekend. And this sheet that I just cut up was part of a goodie bag that one of our friends so kindly gave each one of us, with our name and other goodies inside. And this weekend was really special. And so we did some walking, and we visited another town nearby called Krems, which is also Lower Austria, and it's just this beautiful little town which is just so adorable. And we just really enjoyed walking on the main street, which is pedestrian street, and we found a really nice place to have lunch with some lovely food. And we just really enjoyed hanging out together, spending time together. And in the evenings it was just one night, we ate an incredible amount of junk food and had some margaritas and played card games till in the morning. And yeah, it was just really fun. The next day we had breakfast in Tulln, where we stayed on the town square in the sun, just enjoying September sun, and then just going on a walk in this garden where you saw the pictures from. And yeah, then we drove back home in the afternoon. So I really wanted to treasure these keepsakes that will always remind me of this amazing weekend. And so I'm just trying to incorporate all of these little bits and pieces that I have. This is the business card of the place we had lunch at. And by the way, on the bottom left, you can see the sticker of this lovely girl. This is from a girl that has a shop, and her brand is called Hello Alice, and I will actually link her shop in the description as well. She sells such cute stickers, and I got a whole bunch from her, which I'm using throughout this journal, so please go check her out. Yeah, and this is just a ticket from the Abbey, and you can see here on the ticket how huge that whole place is. It has beautiful gardens, and the Abbey itself is really big, and they have tours in English and in a whole bunch of other languages as well. So it's really, really worth going there if you're ever in the area. And then I'm just basically journaling about what we were doing on that weekend and the good times we had. And then after that, I wanted to put something on below that ticket and on that blue paper, and I found these sticker banners that I'd actually never used before, and I thought I would put one down and stamp the word amazing on there. So I used my Recollections clickable stamps, which I love so much, and I tried to stamp that on that banner, but then I realized the banner is a bit too short. But luckily in that set there was one that's a little bit longer, so I was able to fit that word in this other banner, and I really like how that turned out. So I just stick that on the bottom, and basically that is the end of my spread, and it looks very full, I know, but yeah, this is just a different kind of journal, and this is just where I keep my memories. So I hope you enjoyed watching this. Thank you. Bye.